Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your laptop meets basic requirements and installing Teams now. Once installed, open the app and choose Sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. This links your calendar and contacts. Make sure to allow microphone and camera permissions when prompted so calls work. If you use single sign-on, select that option to skip repeated passwords. Once signed in, scan the left sidebar to locate Chat, Teams, Calendar, and Calls so you understand the layout. Next, you'll configure meetings and notifications so you don't miss anything. Go to Calendar and create a meeting, invite participants, and add a channel if it's a team session. This ensures records and chats appear in the right place. Then open Settings Notifications and pick Banner or Feed for chat and meeting alerts. Adjust quiet hours if needed. Finally, test your camera, microphone, and speaker under Settings Devices. This avoids last-minute audio issues when you join a call. To finish, join meetings from Calendar or a link and confirm your selected mic, speaker, and camera. Use background effects if desired. Share your entire screen or a specific window and click. Give control to pass control for hands-on collaboration. Make sure to stop sharing when finished. If something goes wrong, restart Teams, verify camera/mic permissions, and update the app. If persistent, sign out and sign back in or reinstall. One quick tip: check Windows or Mac OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.